Hello everyone. Well, tonight we're going to try sweet and sour chicken balls. Now, we've had this dinner lots of times, and usually I used to get the chicken breast, cut them up, double dip in the flour and all this, get them fried off in the pan. It used to make a right mess. In the end, I used to cook it outside because it made so much mess in the kitchen with oil spitting, making these. And then we realised, you can just buy them like this, and it saves a lot of time and a lot of trouble. It's cheating, but it was easier. So what we've done then, we make our own sweet and sour sauce. Now, I have that in the frying pan as well. Now, that's not too bad, and it's bubbling away like crazy. When we have all the peppers and the onion in here, and we cook it up, and we add all the, the garlic and the ginger and the red sauce and all the ingredients go in there, and then we fry it all up. But we want to try and do it in the air fryer. I mean, all right, we're cooking with the air fryer, but I like this dinner, I do. So I'm hoping if this works out all right, it's the sort of dinner we can have when we're not at home, when we're away anywhere. It's the sort of dinner I think we could cope with, so long as we can get the stuff. So to make it easier, this is the bag we bought. This was from Iceland. Now, we've had these for a little time now. I can't remember how much they were. I'd probably have to have a look if anybody wants to know. But we bought this sauce. Now, we've tried this a few times, this Mayflower Cantonese sweet and sour sauce, and it's all right. I quite like it, I do. It's all right. I like it when we make our own, but we're trying to do it in the hairdryer. So, the hairdryer, I've done it again. You're going mad. In the air fryer. So we're going to use that. I'm going to say we're cheap with the balls, and it's, it's onion and pepper. There's only a few bits. So with Wendy thought, she's got these ready for me. Look, she's great. Put some oil on there, and then we'll put it in there and turn it up to get that slightly crispy. And we'll put these round the outside and let those cook, and then we'll let that go a few minutes. I'll have to keep my eye on it because we've not done it before. And then we'll probably turn it down a little and add this, and then we'll cook it together. So that's the idea. Let's see what happens. And also, I've got to apologise because the idea is you cut the top off and use that to tie the bag. But I wanted to see if these were the battered one, because we slipped up the other week and bought breadcrumbs. Now, I don't know whether everybody else in the world must know this, but it was a mistake on my part. And we bought the breadcrumb ones, and as soon as you tip the sauce on, it just soaks in, and it's not right. You need the battered ones. I hope they're battered. They look battered, don't they? They'll be battered if it goes wrong. I'll be battered if it goes wrong. Anyway, I'll put them away in the freezer now, and we'll get this sorted out. I tell you what, I'll leave them here. Come on. Let's get cooking. Come on. Now, what I thought is, I've got the crisper plate in there. I thought I'd put that in the corner and just put the balls round it. And from my understanding, this should be great. And we've got 8 of these each. Yeah, that little one, that'll be Wendy's, look, obviously. Yeah, come on. And yeah, we've got about, I think there's 8 of them each. And that's fitted in all right, look. I'm not sure what you can see, you see. It's a little hard, isn't it, for my photography? I'm rubbish. But what we thought is we'll put that in now, have it a little bit higher to start off. Come on, Paul. Let's put you up here, mate. Right, plug it in. Get it plugged in. There we go. Now, I'll do the timings for this, and it's set on 33 pence because that's what we're on at the moment. And what we'll do, we'll switch it on. And I know this is very awkward for you to see. I don't know how to get around this. Let me try and show you. Here we go. get my finger in the way. That's normal, ain't it? Now, was that focused? I think so. Let's move back a bit. You see, it's saying there 180. What we'll do, we'll turn that right up, I think. I mean, I quite like this because they're separate, look. It seems a good idea. And I think I'll leave that on 10 minutes because I'm going to keep my eye on it. So, can you see that okay? It's a little awkward, isn't it? The other one was more sloped, easier for you to see. So anyway, I've put that on 205 on 10 minutes and then off we go. And all I'll do is I'll keep my eye on it and I'll bring you back when there's something to report. Or just before I turn you on. See if I set the gauge there. Yeah, look, you see straight away. Now, I don't mind, I can show you again, but we've seen this before, look. It's gone straight up to 1869 watts, and it's dropped slightly already, but that will come down, definitely. Don't run at that all the time. It's just the initial start-up. Anyway, that's enough waffling. I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Right, now the air fryer has just been going for 5 minutes, so I thought I'll undo it. I'll have a quick look. Now that's doing all right. I think now you see where we're getting these little brown bits. I mean, this might seem ridiculous to you, but Wendy loves it when it's just a little, if it's a little burnt, you seem to prefer it. I do as well. I'm blaming Wendy, look, but I like it like that. It's nice. So yeah, we'll do that. I'll just stir that up. We'll do that a bit longer. Push that back in. Bring you back when there's something to report. Right, we've got 2 minutes left now. Let's give it another stir. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks all right there. I think that's going to be okay. As I say, we'll find out, won't we? But I tell you what, out of interest, that's been in 8 minutes. Let's just stick this in a chicken bowl. I don't think these are going to be anywhere near. I mean, our chicken, we want it to be, it's 85 it's on here, so I don't think they're going to be near, to be honest, but let's see. Oh, that says 27. It's not very good, is it? Let's try another one. I think I've not got that in right. That looks, no, it's still 39 there, so they're obviously not ready yet by any means. Let's try that one. You see, can you see that? I'm sorry, it moves. It's a bit slippery on this surface. Yeah, look, we're nowhere near, which is good. I think what we'll do, we'll let that run for the other 2 minutes, and then I'll get this sauce in. Now this sauce, I don't know how many people have had this. As I say, we've had it, you know, quite a few times, and it is all right. We like it, but where I know, well, when I had to be a little careful with my salt, and I still am, to be honest. It's got 0.4 of a gram of salt, and I don't know whether you can actually see any of that on the back of there. Look, I mean, you can always pause, can't you, if you really want to have a look. I think that's in focus, but yeah. We do like this, so this is what we're going to do anyway. Let's get it undone. We won't be long now. Oh, I see we've got an amateur undoing it again. Oh my God, Graham. Oh, I made a good mess of that though. I'll switch the cooker on. Right, let's that's all right. Well, actually, I better check with the boss. I think we're going to put some pineapple in this. Right, that's had its time. Let's just have a look. I've got that mixed in there now. Look, I shouldn't have left that in there, should I? I'll tell you what, I've just had to get Wendy. I said, shouldn't I have a tin of pineapple? And we realised we're messing around. We forgot to get it out. I've got it in the cup. Oh, God. I'll tell you what, that looks all right. I'm happy with that. It's, you know, it's personal preference really, isn't it? But you see these bits, look, we like that. Probably that's silly, I don't know. Anyway, what we're going to do, I need to put this down, put it on the cooker there, we should be fine. Let's tip this lot in. Oh, it's making me hungry again. Oh dear. It's a good job we're not trying to lose weight, isn't it? Well, I think it should be really, to be honest, but I like my food too much. So that's got that out. Now, there's rather a lot of pineapple there. And Wendy says, well, I think you should put it all in. But I think she's right, but there is one slight problem. Well, somebody else likes pineapple as it is. Oh no, put it in, Graham, come on. Now, we're all mixed up, ready to go. See if I can just show you that. Balls are in there. I think we're going to give that another 10 minutes. They look like they're all cooking great, so I'm sure it's going to be all right. Let's get you back on here now. Moved it, look. Oh dear, come on. Let's get this back in. I want me tea. Right, air fry. I think we'll go 200. And we'll give it 10 minutes and then we'll have a look. Right, okay, I'll bring it back when I've done a bit of tidying up. There's one other thing to mention. I've not put all the juice in, look. And I'm sure this is not good for you. It's far too sweet and too nice. But somebody likes this, don't you, Graham? Oh, we don't have to tell Wendy, do we? You know when you did a too, right, do you? Oh mate, I'm going to drink that, sorry. I'll get back to you when we're something to show you. Right, we've got 6 minutes left on there. I think we'll let it go to 5 minutes and we'll give it a stir. I think it probably isn't going to be warm enough, but we'll see. Come on to 5 minutes and we can have a look. I think I've timed this a bit wrong. Come on, mate. Right, it's gone on to 5 minutes. Let's try it. Let's try the temperature of some of the chicken. Let's try that one there. Let's give the sauce a stir. Well, everything seems to be doing. I don't know. Oh, the meat's about there, look. That's fair enough. I don't know if this will be hot enough. That's not hot enough. Now, it looks as though the meat's reached temperature there. On that one, let's try another. Oh, sorry, I'm dragging you along, look, you can't see, I've done it again. Look, that's up to temperature. They're fine, aren't they? That's great. So, they're in effect cooked. But that's not. I should have put that in earlier then. There's a lesson learned. Yeah. I couldn't though because I was doing the just the veg to get a bit browner. Well, we've had 15 minutes so far, but those balls they're fine now. They're cooked. I'm happy with that. The sauce is not hot enough yet. I think we'll give it another 5 minutes, see how we go. Yeah, if it's not hot enough, I might have to bring it out onto the top here, just warm it through more. I didn't want to do that, but we're learning as we go along. That's fair enough. Right, I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Right, we're on 4 minutes, and I think the trick may be keep stirring this I think that might be part of it. You may need to keep, because I can see that is getting much hotter. Oh, it is. Right, so I'm going to stir that. We've got 4 minutes left. I think I'll stir that one. Oh, it's gone on to 3 now. I think when we've got 2 minutes left, I'll stir that again. I'll bring you back. Right, we've got 2 minutes left. Let's give it another stir. Oh, I can see that is much hotter. That's a lot hotter, definitely. Yes, it is. And what let's have a taste. Yeah. I could stand here and eat that, mate. I'll tell you what, we've got a couple of minutes left. I think we're going to put the chicken balls in the sauce now because I think it's going to be fine. We know they're cooked alright. Let's take the temperature one more time. Let's try one round the back. Oh, what's that gone to? Oh, that's alright, that's reached temperature. So, we know these are cooked alright. I'm going to put them in now. That's what I'm going to do. Not sure whether you can see me or not. As I say, there's a little bit of trial and error here. So we'll put these in. That's one thing, we can get things in round this. There is a little more room in this, that's true. You can see these are cooked. These look a nice colour. I mean, they're a lovely colour. Actually, let's get one out. Oh, I've got a bit on that now, but you can see, look, they're all right, they are. Right, let's give it a stir up. Let's give that a stir. Oh, mate, I want my dinner. Now we've just got the rice to go then. So we'll leave this on now. Give that a couple of minutes, see how we go. Yeah, as I say, there's 2 minutes left on there now. I know it's a little awkward in this one. You can't really see, can you? We've got it on 200 for 20 minutes and there's 2 minutes left now and it's all in together, so in theory I should be putting the rice on. Now people have said you've not shown us the rice, what you do, but come on mate, it's on the packet, look there, 2 minutes in the microwave, you can't go wrong. I used to do the rice as well, and you have to time it right, get it right, you know. Yeah, this is just convenient and it is okay. Right, the rice has gone in there for 2 minutes now, so I'll bring you back. You notice with this machine, look, it's counting that you get into the last minute and it counts the seconds. I presume you can see that. There you go, that's finished now. Now, we'll whip this out and have a look. And what are we on there? Let's just have a look. That's cost 17.7 pence to warm that up so far. Now let's have a look. You can have a proper look now, instead of taking my word for it. Look at this. This is what we're dealing with, look at that. Oh, it looks alright to me. There's a few bubbles around the edges there. I think that's going to be warm enough. Now, oh sorry, I'm wobbling around all over. This is why I try and use a stand. Yeah, that's hot enough. That is alright. It is. That's ready now. That's what we've ended up with, look. I'll get it on the plates and then see what we thought to it. Well, there's our 2 teas ready to go. There looks quite a bit there, don't they? And it's lovely and warm. I think can you see that steaming? Look at it. That is hot. Now, oh come on! I'm getting all excited. I can't wait to eat it. It's terrible. Have we got prawn crackers, Wendy?
Yes.
Yeah, and we've got prawn crackers as well. Mind you, between you and me, Wendy eats most of them. I don't get much of a look in. You do. Right. That's all for now then, folks. And, well, I needn't come back and tell you how nice it was, because I know damn well it's going to be great. Or perhaps shouldn't have said that. Anyway, it's going to be lovely, this is. This is a lovely tea. So if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you want to comment, I'll try and get back to you. And now, I'm off to have my tea, mate. Bye.